Why does your scanner show the P1283 engine code? What does it mean? P1283 is a diagnostic trouble code for air-fuel ratio sensor 1, lean shift monitoring bank 2. It indicates a lean condition in the air-fuel ratio due to too much oxygen. When this code appears, you should stop driving and immediately repair your vehicle. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty air-fuel ratio sensor, damaged or corroded wiring, exhaust leaks, fuel delivery issues, vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD2 vehicles, especially occur in Nissan vehicles: Altima, Maxima, Rogue, Sentra, Murano, Frontier, Pathfinder, Juke, Titan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.